Hi guys! Good morning! Happy Friday po sa inyong lahat. At sa araw na ito ay gagawa tayo ng star fruit jam. Marami pa tayong star fruits, juice as well. And I'm gonna show you something. Palagi talagang may naglilinis dito. Every time nagsasalita ako. Remember yesterday, naglagay tayo ng free star fruits dito. Nandito pa rin yung box ngayon. And looks like walang kumuha. Ay,
yeah, somebody turned it around. Somebody messed with it.
Ay, oo. Bakit kaya nila ginawa yun? So yesterday, nilagay ko siya ng ganyan para makita na free star fruits. And then somebody moved it. Ginanyan nila, oh. Grabe, ang daming mga luko-luko sa panahon ngayon. Lulungkot lang ako guys na yung mga Amerikano is hindi sila masyadong kumakain ng star fruits. Grabe guys, ang mahal niyan kung bibilhin mo sa store. Nasa $1.99 starting price. Minsan yung iba pa nga $2.99. So hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit hindi nila gusto yan o hindi nila pinapansin. Kaya nalulungkot ako. Kaya sa mga kababayan ko na nandito malapit sa Lake Worth, i-message nyo ako guys. Ibibigay ko na sa inyo ang buo tree na ito. Kaming hinog doon sa taas, oh, aakyat tayo. Ititrim natin ito, oh. Ayan, yung dito sa ilalim. Ayan. Yung mga hinog yung gagawin natin na star fruit jam. Pasensya na kayo sa background guys ha. Ayan, gipang uyog na lang ni John guys. Nag-message ako sa aking kaibigan dito sa Amerika. Kaso nga lang sabi niya mayroon daw siyang appointment ngayon. Hindi siya makakapunta. Unlimited talaga ang star fruits natin. And so akyat lang ulit tayo sa bubong guys. Para manguha. Kasi may mga hinog doon. Maganda yung hinog talaga gawing jam. Here, pakihawak naman ito darling. Ayan, aakyat na tayo. Maganda gawing star fruits jam ang hinog. Ayan, so dito tayo sa kabila guys. I-check na din pala natin mamaya yung ating avocado at tignan natin kung hinog na yung nilagay natin sa may bigasan. Tignan natin kung nahinog na siya guys. Hello. Ha? Hi. You want star fruits? Oh, okay, okay. Bye-bye. Meron pala, nag-alok kami doon sa kaibigan namin dumaan dito. Mayroon daw pala siyang maraming star fruits sa kanila. Ayan, kunin lang natin yung mga malalaki at hinog, darling.
They're not as yellow as I like.
Oo, mas maganda pag sobrang yellow, darling, no? Ayan. Ay, ito. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Malaki. Yan, malaki. O, tama na, darling? Ay,
that's enough.
Okay. Let's check our avocado, darling.
There's one waiting for us.
Ay, oo. Alam nyo, nahuhulog na yung mga avocado natin. I think pwede na natin itong i-harvest, dear.
No.
Kasi nasasayang, alam nyo guys. Hala, sumasayad na nga siya sa atop, darling, oh.
The seed is loose.
The seed is loose na? Ay, oo nga. Maririnig na namin ang buto. Ibig sabihin, may nag-comment kasi dear, once you hear it's loose, once you hear the seed, it's supposed to be ready. That's what they say.
Okay,
hala, ang daming malalaki, oh. Hala. Can you hear it from the tree?
No.
No, you cannot. Be, let me check the others.
We're gonna have to wait till we come back.
Oo. Sa mga nag-e-expect na padalhan natin ito, mag-antay lang kayo, wag kayong mag-alala, sobrang dami ng bunga ng avocado natin. Ayan, isang malaking puno yan guys. Dambuhalang puno ito, kaya wag kayong mag-alala, mabibigyan namin kayo. Kahit saan pa kayo sa Amerika, ipapaship natin yan. Ayan, oh, sobrang dami. Hindi nyo lang mapapansin kasi nakatago siya. Hala, ang laki talaga darling, oh.
Nice.
Wow. There's a lot more than we thought guys. Ayan, nakatago kasi sila. They're hiding very well. Hi, salamat Lord sa mga blessings. Okay, baba na kami. I think enough na itong star fruits na nakuha natin para gagawin nating jam. And bili tayo ng tinapay mamaya kasi ipapalaman natin ang star fruits jam. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang darling ha. Umulan pala kagabi guys. Ay, ngayong umaga? Umulan pala ngayong umaga, guys. Ayan. Bago ito, guys, gagawa tayo ng starfruit jam. Ito na naman, trial na naman ito, darling. We will do a trial. See if our recipe is good. And if our recipe is good, we can sell it. Ayan na naman si Jam. Si Jan, sabi na naman ni Jan, it's another work. Ayan, so let's do it. Let's make starfruit jam. Ito na, yung starfruits na na-harvest natin. Huhugasan ko lang siya saglit, guys. May mga nakuha din tayong avocado. May mga hinog na, guys, na avocado. So, yan yung i-breakfast din natin mamaya. Si Jan, ganyan siya eh. Usually, ang breakfast ni Jan is salad, ganyan. Tapos, lalagyan niya ng avocado. Or minsan, gagawa siya ng toast. Tapos, lalagyan niya ng avocado. Guacamole. Hugasan lang natin para matanggal natin yung mga unwanted things. Ano daw? Unwanted things? Unnecessary things. Ang mga kuan ba? Nangahulog, mga giuyog, manggod ni Jan ganiha, guys. So, marami siyang mga balas-balas. Okay. So, tatanggalin lang natin, guys, yung buto. Ayan, kasi ayaw natin masama yung buto. I think pait yung buto. So, yan lang yung gagawin natin. Tanggalin lang natin yan. So, first time ko itong gagawin, guys, ang starfruit jam. Usually kasi, di ba, kapag nasa probinsya, sa Pinas, ako, guys, usually, ang ginagawa namin or pinapalaman namin sa tinapay is either strawberry jam. Never pa akong nakatikim talaga, guys, ng starfruit jam. Actually, suggestion nyo ito eh. So, Johannes, why not make starfruit jam out of your starfruits? Kasi ang dami yung starfruits eh. Nalamog yung iba o kasi nahulog kasi ito. Kaya sabi ko, oo nga, no. Maraming salamat sa inyong suggestion, ha. Alam nyo, guys, binabasa ko lahat ng mga comments. I always read their comments, dear. Because that way, magkaroon tayo ng interaction ba. And as much as possible, I reply to them, darling. Not all vloggers will do that. As much as possible, kapag wala akong ginagawa, guys, nagre-reply talaga ako sa inyo.
That's good that you reply.
Yeah, I always do that, dear. Kaya nga, in the middle of the night, maaano ako ni Jan, mapapansin. You notice, dear, in the middle of the night, Jan,
Yes, I do notice in the middle of the night.
gigising ako, tapos sinecheck ko yung mga nag-comment. I check their comments, darling. And then I reply to them. I love to hear those kind words. Lalagay lang natin sa pan. Iba-iba tayo ng paraan ng paggawa ng starfruit jam, guys, ha. So, this is our way. This recipe is from YouTube, guys.
I'm gonna cook all the water out of it. Then add sugar.
So it's better if we try out new things just like starfruit jam. I know that you don't like sweet. Ayaw kasi ni Jan ng sweet, guys, but we'll see. Once in a while, I think in moderation is fine. So antayin lang natin ito, guys, na ma-remove yung water, dear. May nakalusot na isang buto.
It won't hurt you.
Ayan. Pag nawala na yung water niya, guys, add sugar until it caramelizes, and that's it?
You made it thicken. Yeah, it calls for a spice, maybe cardamom or something.
Oh.
We have.
Okay. So, maglalagay tayo ng spice later. We will just try it out first and then share it with friends. And then, from there, malay natin, magkaroon tayo ng starfruits business.
Were you gonna have a starfruit
jam
drink?
Yeah. It's ready to go.
Okay.
So, how many?
If you feel like it. It's gonna be a lot. It's okay.
Ayan, guys. Parang nag-evaporate na yung water. Ayan, so ito. Wala kasi kaming juicer. Ito na, dear. Strain muna natin siya.
Yeah, more than you think.
Right. Because you put ice with this one. Ayan, so ito na. A little pulpy is fine. Alright, that's it.
How's it taste?
Let me check. Ay! Wow!
It's very good. It's almost like orange juice.
Almost like orange juice. Ilalagay ko lang muna siya sa ref, guys. And lalagyan ko lang siya ng ice later. You smell that?
Here goes the sugar. Starfruit jam is ready. Looks yummy.
Perfection. Guys, starfruit jam. Dear, daig pa ang mga strawberry jam. Ka-level niya talaga. Did you try it?
Yes, it's very good.
It's very good. Hala, na happy ako dito, guys. To go with it, English muffin. Tapos coffee. Coffee. Ayan, so gawa lang tayong coffee, guys. Yan. Starfruit Jam by Johannes and John. Ooh, look at that. Perfect with coffee. That's the best. Better than any jam that I've tried. Wow, dear. This is really the best.
How many Starfruits did that take?
I think only 8 or so. Yeah, 8 to 10. Guys, very easy recipe lang talaga ito, ha? Did you put cardamom?
No.
Simple and organic, right?
Keep it simple, don't ruin it, because I don't know what the cardamom flavor is.
Cardamom pala.
Now, you could leave a little in the bowl, and we can add some cardamom to it.
Itatry ni Jan lalagyan niya ng cardamom. Let's see kung mas masarap siya kung lalagyan natin ng ganyan. You know that. See if it's better or better without.
You notice the difference?
Yeah. It's like there's orangey. I like it.
Next batch, we'll use cardamom.
It adds a little taste.
Cardamom bread is why I have that. My stepmom used to love cardamom bread.
Guys, we opened the avocado and it's terrible because we picked it up too soon. But
even by putting it in rice and letting it ripen,
it won't work.
It doesn't taste good.
It doesn't taste good. It tastes terrible. But this one, this is the new one. Ito yung kinain ng ko. Let's check this one, guys. Is this falling from the tree?
Yes.
Falling from the tree. I think
I think the squirrel maybe.
Oh, it's still perfect. Ooh.
That one's gonna taste good.
Let's check this one.
See, the skin comes off of it.
Comes off right.
It didn't want to move. Much better. Needs a little salt.
Salt, tsaka Iwan ko sa mga Amerikano, guys, no? Salt talaga sa kanila. Sa akin, sugar.
Nobody puts sugar on their avocado.
I do. The Filipino. Sometimes they put milk. Milk and ice. That's really good.
Salt and olive oil. That's the best for me.
Salt and olive oil sa dyan. Harap.
So with the leftover, we can just take this, mash it up, little salt and pepper, put it on a toasted English muffin with a runny egg on top. You got avocado toast.
So yan yung gagawin natin next time here, no? Busog match na kami doon sa English muffin with starfruit jam. Grabe talaga, guys. I'm really happy na
we can do it now.
We can do it now? Sure. I'm really happy that we were able to create this starfruit jam. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome.
Madiskarte talaga yan si Jan, guys. Maybe because it's cold.
No, they're like this. You gotta really pay attention.
There's a technique.
And I wasn't really paying attention.
I said, we won't be able to eat our breakfast. We were planning to cook the eggplant, the ampalaya, and the okra.
Oh, yeah. We still need,
we still need. Sabi ko pa, paano tayo makakain yan? Kumain na tayo kanina ng starfruit jam. Maglilinis lang ako saglit, guys, ha? I-hand wash ko na lang siya.
So you have some extra tomatoes, so I'm gonna throw that in there.
Oh, okay.
Like it's guacamole.
Ganyan ang ginagawa ni Jan. Cleaning up the refrigerator. Ganyan ang palagi niya sinasabi. Kaysa naman masayang here, right?
Messiah, yeah, right. So would you like a poached egg?
Yeah.
Poached egg, a little bit of vinegar.
Yan po yung first harvest natin. Ooh. Ito na, guys, ang avocado toast na ginawa ni Jan. Our first harvest. So, eto na, guys, ang ating first harvest ng avocado ni Johannes and Jan sa kanyang garden. Titikpan na natin. Yee! I can't wait na. Wait till you taste it. Look at that! Look at that! Woohoo! Wow! This is perfection. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Coffee, of course. Kailangan ko siyang kamay. Hindi pala siya pwede kamayin kaya maglama-lama atong kamay. First bite for my subscribers. That's really good. Lord, thank you so much for the harvest of the avocado. And soon we will share it to our subscribers. Quick grocery run lang muna tayo. Punta lang tayong Costco. Bili lang tayong water, dishwashing liquid. Magpapagas lang muna tayo guys. Preparation for our long travel tomorrow. Yes, you heard it right. Tomorrow is our cruise day. It's gonna be 7 days. Honduras, Mexico, and Bahamas. Ups. 1, 2, 3, go. The struggle of a vlogger. Don't put it yet. Ganyan talaga guys palagi. Huwag mo nang ilagay sa cart. Hindi ko pa nabibidyohan. Ay, it was not on so I have to put it back. That's the life of a vlogger. It was not on so I have to put it back. And then put it back in. We have to get 3 because we drink like a fish. Tama. I can... Ang mahal ng water. $67 tatlong. Ayan. 24 pieces.
24 for 60.
$67 plus toothpaste and a dishwashing liquid. So we're heading to Home Depot now to buy more mulch. It's much cheaper there at Home Depot. Oh, looks like this is lime.
That's not calamansi.
No, calamansi is calamunding. So they have orange, they have lime, they have tangerine, and they have lemon. They don't have calamansi here.
I remember yesterday.
2. Okay. Hi guys, kakabalik lang namin ni John galing na grocery. And magluluto lang ako for lunch. Mag-noodles lang ako guys para mabilisan lang. Ayaw niya ng ganito eh. Hindi mahilig si John sa mga noodles, ganyan, mga carbohydrates. So ako lang, nagpapakulo lang ako ng chicken stock dito. Instead of water, ang ginagawa ko chicken stock para mas nutritious siya guys and mas delicious. Ang aking 3-minute noodle. Gusto ko yung medyo gahit-gahit pa ang noodles.
I need a napkin please.
Crunchy garlic. Kain tayo guys. Excited na ako para bukas guys. Bago itong barko na sasakyan namin. Excited na ako mag room tour. Ayan. Yung room natin guys, just to give you a heads up, is wala siyang balcony. Nag-bid kami ng window. I think we lost our bid. So walang update. Hi guys! 5:54 na and it's dinner time. Yep, I will cook everything kasi masisira yan eh. So, okra, eggplant, and ampalaya. That's my dinner. Sakay dyan itong pork ribs. Gusto ko talaga tong sink namin guys. Very useful. This is the prettiest okra I've seen, darling.
Yeah.
Wala talagang tatsa. Mostly, di ba, sa mga deer, mostly, okra has a black spot.
Oh yeah, the grocery store.
Ayan, oh. Perfect talaga, guys. Ubusin na natin to guys, kasi mawawala tayo ng 1 week. Madadaot din naman ito kahit na ilagay natin ito sa ref.
The poppy pickled okra is good too.
Ayan, oh. Very fresh talaga. Masisira na din ito kapag 1 week pa ito. And talong. Or make it 3 na lang, darling.
Well, we're leaving tomorrow, so...
Oo, finish na lang, no? Kasi for the breakfast. It's gonna be breakfast.
Be all shriveled up.
Aha. Breakfast na lang yung iba pag hindi maubos. Diba? Ayan, i-prep ko lang ito, guys. Ako ang sous chef ngayon. So, ipe-prep ko lang siya. And then si Jan na bahala dito magluto mamaya. Ano ba talaga ang technique nito sa ampalaya, guys, na para hindi, yung sobrang pait talaga? May kamatis pa tayo, dear.
Just a few pieces.
Sabi nila, pupugaan daw ng asin. So, ang nilalagay lang ni John dito sa ating talong is, pinapahiran niya lang guys ng olive oil. And salt ang ating talong bago i-grill. Try natin huluman sa asin. Tingnan natin kung matanggal yung kanyang pait. Gagamit ka ng ano dear, no? Magic Sarap. What do you call that? Crispy fry?
Crispy fry.
Crispy fry. Are you gonna use this one, darling? The garlic?
No, I'm gonna use the original.
Oh, the original one. Gusto ni John ito. Na crispy fry. So, i-prep ko lang yung pan na gagamitan ni John. Ayan. Tulungan lang kami ni John dito sa kusina, guys. Kapag hindi ako busy, kapag wala akong edit, nagtutulong din ako kay John dito sa kusina. Pero kapag may ini-edit ako, nandun lang ako sa kwarto. Ngayon kasi mostly tapos na yung pag-i-edit ko. Ito na lang kasi yung last part ng video. Hindi na, sabi ko kay John, sabi ni John, are we gonna do the mukbang tonight? Sabi ko, yes, that's gonna be the last part of our video. The video will not be finished if there will be no mukbang. Kaya sabi ni John, okay. So, ayan. Kaya, whether he likes it or not, gagawin. Magbumukbang tayo. Boil lang tayo ng water to start. Guys, excited na ako. What time do we leave tomorrow, darling? 1:30? 11 a.m. Alis kami bukas ng 11 a.m. Sa Miami kasi yung port. Usually sa cruise natin, dear, Fort Lauderdale, right? But this time it's Miami Port.
This time it's Miami.
Miami Port. Madalas nagko-cruise kami ni John sa Celebrity Cruise. How many times did we cruise with Celebrity? I think 5 times.
7.
Or 6. And then 7 is the Holland America.
7.
7.
Oh,
Pang
6 for you because I did.
Okay. Yung naiwan ako sa Netherlands.
You missed this trip.
Don't open it up. Kasi nalulungkot ako. Naiwan kasi ako sa Netherlands last time kasi hindi ako nakakuha ng visa to UK and Ireland. So naiwan ako sa Netherlands. But it's okay. It turned out well naman. It's a blessing in disguise. Marami akong nakilala doon ng mga kababayang Pinoy. Anyway, 7 si John, ako pang 6 sa Celebrity, and then nag-Holland America kami, and tomorrow will be our first with MSC Cruises. So, I'm very excited kung ano, kasi iba yung ano nila there, no? Different from food to the design of the cruise.
Oh, it's a brand new ship.
Brand new ship. Actually, nag-inaugurate siya noong
April.
April this year lang siya. So, smells new. So, excited ako. Yan ang aabangan nyo bukas, guys. Alright. Eggplant. Multitasking talaga kami ni John ngayon dito, guys. Pwede tayong magmukbang sa labas ng bahay kapag may time pa. Pero pag wala ng time, dito na lang tayo sa loob. Kasi parang palubog na yung araw. I think the sun will set 8 p.m. today. The sunset at 8 p.m. today. So, we'll see. Currently, it's 6 o'clock. So, I think we still have time. Ayan. Very province life talaga tayo dito, darling, no? Very province life.
Very province life.
Ayan, so habang nagluluto si John doon sa ating pork ribs, ipe-prepare ko lang. Ayan na, bumubukal na siya. Bumubukal na. This is for the ampalaya. Onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper lang ang nilagay ko sa egg. John always say, measure carefully. Or maybe 2 minutes lang. Hala, look at that. Wow. Green yung tubig, so mostly I think nakuha ko yung natanggal ko yung pait. Na-off na naman yung GoPro ko, guys, kasi sa sobrang init na-off siya. Crispy ampalaya. Look at that. My favorite. Ay! Favorite of all time, guys. Favorite of all time. Talong. Nakakarami lang ng kanin ito. Yun lang yung problema, nakakarami ng kanin. Ooh. Let's go. Yun yung magic syrup. Magic syrup? I don't know. We should have magic syrup. Here it is. Here's your magic.
Alright. Thank you, dear.
Tak, tak, tak. Tick, 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 tak, tak, tak. Cook, 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 cook. Wow! Delicious okra! Healthier dinner! Ayan. Okra, eggplant, and ampalaya with egg.
You know, there's no better okra in town
Mm-hmm.
than this one.
Yup. Guys, tignan ninyo kung gaano kasarap yan. Ang sarap ng dinner natin, guys. Oh, wow! The plating. Okra, ampalaya with egg, eggplant with miso paste. Perfect. Hindi pwedeng walang rice ito. Kunti lang yung ilalagay kong rice kasi hindi naman mag-rice si John.
Didn't you
Ako
have
lang
some?
naman.
I'm sorry to cut you off there, but didn't you have some sauce you're gonna do?
Oh, yes! The calamunding!
Calamonding?
Calamansi, outside.
Oh, calamansi.
Thank you for reminding me.
Mansi, manding.
Mansi, manding.
What's the...
Look at that. Buti na lang may calamunding tayo dito. Tuhaan mo na kita, ha. Sabi naman nila tatanggalin daw yung mga bunga eh. Para hindi daw ano dito yung mga nutrients, mapunta dito yung mga may nagsabi na tatanggalin daw yung mga bunga para hindi daw mapunta sa bunga yung nutrients ng soy. Tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong, ha?
Coming in?
Let's eat! Ayan, nag-set na ng table si John. Dito lang tayo sa labas kakain. Labas lang tayo kakain kasi may hayag pa eh. Oh, look at that. Hi guys! So it's dinner time finally.
Finally.
How many minutes did we cook this? Looks like it's only 1 hour. Less than
1 hour.
Less than 1 hour.
What time is it?
I don't know.
Me too.
Kasi I'm very hungry now. So, here we have, na-explain ko na, hindi ko na kailangan i-explain sa inyo guys kasi tignan nyo na lang, na-explain ko na ito kanina.
No?
No, I already explained it to them. Too much explanation already. Ayan, so of course kanin ako. A little bit of okra lang ako guys. And then, here's also tawang.
Oh.
So, meron tayong talong dito. And then, ampalaya. I think hindi kakain si Jan ng ampalaya kasi pait. Hindi ko siya na-fix, guys. Please comment kung how to fix this one, the ampalaya. I tried to soak it with salt for how many minutes?
Not long
Maybe
enough.
10 minutes.
Yeah. You need to go longer than that.
It's still it's still pait. I like this recipe of guys. Talong with miso paste. Best in town. How's your pork rib?
Delicious.
Perfect yan pang pulutan. Look at that, brown. Looks like it's crispy.
It's crispy.
Nilagyan kasi ni Jan, sarap!
Very.
Nilagyan kasi ni Jan ito ng crispy fry. Sarap talaga, dear. It's better this time than the last time you cook. I always tell the truth to Jan.
Maybe because I didn't boil the flavor out of it.
Because usually you boil it first, right? Before you deep fry it. I think so. The langaw started to show up.
Yes, they did. Just like home.
Just like our home in the province, just like langaw. Excited for the food in the first tomorrow?
I hope so.
I hope it's good food, no?
Me too. You don't know until you know.
We don't have too much expectation. We just wanted to try. For example, the room, we want to downgrade because usually balcony. We want to downgrade and see if we feel comfortable. If we don't feel comfortable, the next time we know better.
Right. Maybe we're wasting our money on a window we hardly use.
Exactly. Kasi kumukuha kami ni Jan ng window or balcony. Really? We only use it for like once, twice, 3 times. The money you additional to that is $2,000 $2,000.
Yes.
Easy. Especially if you go to Europe or Alaska. But that's different. But that's a different story if you go to Europe
Alaska's
or if you go to Alaska. It's very beautiful.
Because it's cool.
It's worth it.
It's cool all day. Now it's summertime. You sit on
right.
We got to see the pros and cons of the inside room.
Yep. Uy, nag-rice na ka? I thought you don't rice. You don't eat rice today, ha? You know what, dear? I see a comment saying that magtrabaho daw ako, malaki daw ang katawan ko, bakit hindi daw ako nagtatrabaho? Umaasa lang daw ako sa iyo. I'm dependent to you, what will happen to me daw if I don't have a job. Guys, I always say this, content creation or vlogging is profession.
It is.
It's a job. It's a hard job. You don't really know kasi siguro sa iba, dear, other people, they don't realize because they're not into this kind of thing. No? They easily conclude na umaasa lang ako, pera lang daw ni Jan. I'm always dependent, relying on your money daw, dear. That's what they're saying. They don't understand, guys. You know what? They might say, oh, you're just a vlogger. Just. They say that. But you know what, guys? Content creation is really hard. Alam mo, nauubusan ka ng content. Sometimes, dear, we run out of content. Sometimes, nai-stress ako, nadidepress ako, kasi hindi ko na alam kung ano ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang daming mga nangyayari behind the camera that they don't see.
Well,
and then they're jumping into conclusion.
You're just a vlogger. Well, what are you watching on TV?
Exactly.
It's the same difference.
It's the same difference. It's just a different platform. So, hindi nila naiintindihan, dear, sometimes I get hurt when I read that kind of comment na, oh, malaki ang katawan mo, umaasang ka lang kay Jan, pera, relying on Jan's money. You know what, guys? I don't have to tell this one because you would say, oh, bragging, boastful, ganyan. But they don't realize, dear, how much we earn with social media. Without social media, guys, I cannot support my family in the Philippines. I mean, I can, but I have to work here. But I have to find job. But now that we're, we have this kind of opportunity, social media, so ito talaga ang bread and butter. This is my bread and butter. I want everyone to understand that this is my bread and butter. Without this, I don't know what will happen. Of course, I will find job.
He's his own boss.
Yes, they would understand. And maybe, I don't know if it's good to say or what, but maybe I earn more than what Jan earned, right, dear? Maybe I earn more what Jan earned. But you know what? I'm very happy for you, dear, because Johannes and Jan will not be Johannes and Jan without Jan. It's a collaboration. It's a teamwork. It's an effort for both of us. So I'm always grateful for John. Actually, si John naman talaga, when we started YouTube, remember?
Yes.
Nobody's watching.
Nobody's
All
watching.
your computers are working so
Yes.
that we can reach the watch hours, 4,000 hours. So, even when we started on YouTube way back 2019, and then
Yeah.
John keeps pushing me like, oh, don't stop. Because for me also, I always think of the reason why I started vlogging. Sometimes kasi, dear, to be honest, sometimes I get depressed or I get sad when we don't have views or something like that. But I think I don't have to do that to myself because alam nyo guys, lawas lang nato ang atong kapital, kumbaga sa Bisaya ba, kung magkasakit ta, unsaon na lang ang atong pamilya,
It's
diba?
like being a business owner.
That's why I keep slow down sometimes. Hindi ako nagbablog, nagpo-post kasi sometimes nagre-relax din ako ba, nagme-meditate, ganyan. So ayun, sana maintindihan ng iba na ang content creation ay hindi lang content creation. Ito ay isang profesyon, ito ay isang trabaho at talagang malaki na itulong talaga sa amin ni John ito. Because of this, dear, no, we were able to buy properties, no? So natutuwa naman ako kay John kasi kahit na nahirapan na siya minsan kasi may trabaho, you have a job, and then when you come home, you work again. Kasi minsan pinapressure ko din si John. Hindi ko naman sinasadya guys, no, pero sabi ko kay John, kailangan talaga natin itong gawin kasi kung hindi natin itong gawin, wala tayong kikitain. So ayun, nagpapasalamat din ako. May mga nababasa na naman ako na a lot of people are saying that you don't help John cooking, ganyan. They don't understand, guys. John, it doesn't matter. Hindi nga nagrereklamo si John eh. He doesn't, what do you call that? Mind. He doesn't mind if I don't help cooking because he wants good food. Minsan kasi kapag nagluluto ako, ano ako sa sarili ko, nahihiya ako kapag hindi ganun kasarap ang pagkain tapos
I'm used to
kinakain
doing
ni
it
John.
all.
Parang nahihiya ako na parang hindi nasarapan si John. So, what I always do, teamwork, team effort kami ni John dito. Siya nagluluto, ako naglilinis, ako naghuhugas, ako nagkikiskis ng mga stove, ganyan. So, team effort lang talaga kami ni John dito, guys. Kaya, please lang, wag tayong jump into conclusion. It's easy to say negative, dear, in just one video. In just 10-minute video, 20-minute video, 40-minute video, but they don't really know what's behind the scene.
No. And unless they do it themselves, they never will.
So, kaya sa mga kababayan natin, tigilan na po natin ang mga ganyang issue na kesyo ganito ganyan. And in the event that I don't have this kind of opportunity like vlogging, who will I depend to? We're married. Of course, I will depend on you. Who will I depend to? I will depend on the neighbor. I will depend on my friends. I will depend on the other people. No, I will depend on John because he's my partner.
Well, that was the plan in the beginning anyway.
Yeah. Sinabi ko, alam mo, nung bago ako pumunta dito, di ba, dear? I told John that once I get my visa and everything, I will find work. Which is nag-work ako together with John.
But you're already working.
Yes, I was already working, but we
No.
didn't have this kind of opportunity with the platform.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right? So, nagtrabaho ako along with John, and then, sabi ko, hindi pwede ito. Kasi hindi ko talaga ma-manage yung time ko, guys. During the time, I cannot manage my time. Vlogging, editing, and then working with John. So, hindi ko ma-manage ang sarili ko. Wala akong time management. So, nahirapan ako, and then I told John, let's stop this, let's quit. Nag-quit si John sa work, and then I started vlogging, and then nag-boom yung page ko, nag-boom yung YouTube, and then here we are. Fast forward, we're already here.
Non-stop.
So, we're blessed, guys. Don't think na umaasa lang ako kay John, ganito, ganyan. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung wala namang social media, maghahanap naman talaga ako ng trabaho. Dahil may opportunity pa sa social media, kagaya nga nasabi ni John, strike while the iron is hot. Kaya nandito pa rin kami sa social media. Kaya wag niyo pong sabihin na ganyan, na ganito ganyan, video-video lang, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi ang video-video lang na ganyan, malaki ang naitulong yan sa pamilya ko at sa pamilya namin ni John. Pamilya namin kasi may mga alaga kaming pusa dito. So that's it, guys. We have our different path in life. Okay, you have your different path in life. You may be working. That's good if you're working, both husband and wife. That's better. So you get, to save a lot of money for your future. But you know what? Sometimes they say, oh, you're just in the house. You're just a housewife. But they don't realize the work of a housewife. They work more than maybe working in the office. Because the housewives, especially if you have children, you have the children you have the house to clean.
Children change everything, for sure.
Exactly. So do not say that, oh, you don't work, or only your husband is working, you don't work, diba? So
I leave to go to work. He stays home to work.
Exactly. Ganyan ang setup namin ni Jem. Nagtatrabaho siya, nagtatrabaho din ako dito sa bahay. Pero magkaiba lang siguro. Maybe it's not the kind of work that you're thinking, but it's still very stressful. Work is work. Right?
Well, just being a chef working for other families, running a house is a job.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so much to do every day of the week, unless you're just really lazy. For me, I don't like to be lazy. I like to have home-cooked meals, have all the laundry caught up, clean house, just all the things that it's really good for the mind when everything's in order and clean.
True.
Organization beats frustration.
That's right.
But it gets out of order very quickly. I mean, how much clothes do you wear in one day?
Right.
It's like all of a sudden, kaboom, the basket's full. So I feel bad for the people who have to hand wash. Oh my God.
It's really hard work.
That is hard work.
So that's the job of a housewife. So the one that they're saying, oh, you're just working in the house, but they don't realize how hard it is.
Like even in the
From
province.
laundry to cooking to cleaning.
Yeah, even in the province, I see.
Ivy.
Oh, yeah, there's people there that are wash their clothes, and I'm like, wow, that's too much.
Kaya alam nyo guys,
They have their own families.
exactly. When we're in the province, we don't let them wash our clothes. We always go to the laundry shop and have our clothes washed in the laundry shop. Kasi ayaw namin na mag-burden pa na ganyan.
It's a burden.
It's really a burden.
In my opinion. They may not think so.
Exactly.
But I do.
Because they want to help.
Yes.
But it's really too much.
Yeah, some
really
things
too much.
Especially with the children around and everybody's
okay na
running
sana
their
kung mga
lives.
single sila, kung wala silang mga anak. Kung may mga anak sila, that's a different story. So that's why guys, this is my 2 cents. Do not judge the book by its cover. Do not judge a person based on what you saw on social media, because you don't really know what's happening behind the scene.
You have no idea.
You have no idea. Kaya wag kayong mag-jump into conclusion. So that's it.
We can't even look at another vlogger and judge them. Unless their content is really goofy.
Yeah.
That's different. But if you want to do content and be a creator and be successful and earn a lot of money, you gotta keep at it. You can't just one day, I don't feel like it today, and just keep skipping by days.
You know what? I double check the camera because maybe it will happen again, or just like earlier. That
Shut up. We're talking and shuts off.
We're talking a lot already, and then the camera is not turned on. It happened to us a lot of times.
Yes.
Like we're already talking. Oh my God, we have to do it again.
Oh, we do
because
lots
the camera is not turned on.
double takes. Yes.
And you know what? When you do it the second time, it's not as natural as
Right.
It's not as natural. But anyway, thank you, dear, for this food. Thank you for preparing.
You're welcome.
And
I hope you enjoyed it.
of course I did.
Me too. I think I ate half a rack of ribs.
And tomorrow, are you excited?
Yes.
Nice.
Can't wait to go. Are you excited? All right.
Of course. First time in Honduras.
We gotta start drying our shoes.
Hi! Oo nga, huwag natin kalimutan yun. Nilagay kasi namin sa washing machine yung aming sapatos.
Last minute laundry.
Nilagay namin sa washing machine itong aming sapatos. So, ipapamalahin lang namin, ipapa-electric fan lang natin. But anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Sa cruise na tayo. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.